In this digital age, you know that speaking the same language with your customers helps you get the right part to the right place at the right time, all while reducing costs and returns. But are you everywhere you should be? Cast your net wider and further with the standardized taxonomy of AutoCares, ACEs, and PIEs, the established common language of the automotive aftermarket. You know better than anyone that now more than ever, your product information needs to be digitized so that you can compete. And just like you, we are constantly improving and growing. We've been adding new data sets, segments, markets, and translations to help you grow your business. AutoCare Standards, the single most effective way to communicate with your trading partners. Learn more at autocare.org/standards.